Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to do chapter number 15, subject and predicate. Okay? All of you take out your books and your pencils. But don't open the books right now. Okay? First of all, just understand the concept, then we will start our exercise. Yes, before starting, I just want to ask some students that I have been checking your notebooks. Most of the students didn't send their copies. Okay, and some of the students' work is so much missing. Beta, please complete all your work from the notes which are provided to you people. Okay, I have sent you the syllabus in your with your last notes. Tally your work with your syllabus. Your question answers, your summary. Do not do any additional work. I haven't checked the additional work. Okay. One more thing, the best work is of Momin. I really appreciate Momin. Good work. Okay. Continue the effort. And I've also checked your dictation. I'll tell you the marks later. Rian, I didn't receive your dictation sheet. I don't know why you didn't. You were present on Thursday, but you didn't send your dictation sheet. Okay. Now we are going to start subject and predicate. Now students, all of you know what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words which conveys complete meaning. Okay? Whenever we say, I've told you the difference between phrases, clauses, and sentences. So when we say what is a sentence is a group of words which conveys complete meaning or sense. Remember students, sentence is divided into two parts, subject and predicate. Subject and predicate. Wait a minute. Wait, beta. Okay. Now, when we say a subject, what is a subject? A subject is what we are talking about. Okay? Who is doing the action and what comes in the start of a sentence is a subject. Okay? For example, if I say, right now, who is the subject? I am the subject. And who is the subject? You are the subject. Okay? For example, if I say, Ali learns essay. So Ali is the subject. Because who is doing the action? Ali is doing the action. I run on the road. Who is the subject? What we are talking about? I. So I is the subject. Please, it is important that you should note down important points in your rough copy so that when I'm going to ask you people, you should know these definitions. Okay? Now, student, predicate. Predicate, whatever the subject is doing, that is the predicate. Remember one thing, predicate includes the verb. So if I say he is coming, so he is the subject, is coming is the predicate. Okay? The ugly giant walked on the steep road. The ugly giant is the subject. Walked on the steep road is the predicate. You can start a predicate. Okay, Abdul Subhan, we are doing subject and predicate. It is chapter number 15 of your grammar book. Just keep your grammar books with you, but don't open. Okay, right now I'm just explaining what is a subject and predicate. The chapter is about subject and predicate. Okay. Yes, Rohan, we are doing subject and predicate. Okay. And it's chapter number 15 of your grammar book. Right now I'm discussing the difference between a subject and a predicate. Now students, what we are talking about is the subject who is doing the action. And whatever the subject is doing, that is known as the predicate. Predicate starts with the word. Remember one thing, predicate starts with the verb. If I say, Ali, Ahmad, and Zain. So Ali, Ahmad, and Zain all are subject. Ali, Ahmad, and Zain go to the party. Go to the party is the predicate. Go to the party is the predicate. It started with the verb go. Okay? Now look at these examples. The dog ran after the cat. I walked down the steep road. Sarah learned the essay well. I am writing a letter. The ugly giant knocked at the door. Now, students, the words which I have underlined so that you can see them clearly. These are all the subjects. The dog, I, Sarah, again I, the ugly giant. Ran after the cat, predicate. Walked down the steep road, predicate. Learned the essay well, predicate. Am writing a letter, predicate. Knocked at the door, predicate. So a sentence is divided into two parts, subject and predicate. And you have to start predicate with the word. Okay? Ran, walked, learned, am, knocked. It doesn't mean that you only underline the verb. If you only underline the verb, then it is a verb. It is not a predicate. Predicate includes the verb plus the object. Okay? Now you can see these examples, complete subject and predicate. All the words in the subject make up the complete subject. All the words in the predicate make up the complete predicate. Examples you can see. Green sneakers are on sale. Who wants a pair? My friend does. Everyone in school is wearing bright shoes. Now students, you can see that green sneakers, who, my friend, everyone, school, subject, and predicate starts with a verb. You know this thing that is, are, am, was, were, has, have, do, does, they're also verbs. So you have to be very clear that when I give you an exercise, after Eid, I'm going to take a test of your grammar. So it's very important that your concepts must be clear. Is, are, am, was, were, these are also verbs. So you have to start a predicate with a verb. You can see in this example that they have divided into two parts. One column is for the subject. The second column is for the predicate. Okay. So no verb will come in the subject. You will not write green sneakers are in the subject column. It will be wrong. You have to start the verb in the predicate column. You have to keep the verb in the predicate column. Got it? If who are you, if I say who are you, so who will come in the subject column, are you will come in the predicate column. Who is knocking at the door, who is the subject, it will come in the subject column. Is knocking at the door is the predicate and it will come in the predicate column. 1 second beta. Yes, Heather Abbas.
Teacher, I want to ask that in it we have holidays.
No, I think Wednesday will be your last class. Wednesday. You will have a class on Wednesday. Okay. Peter, please ask these questions later because right now I'm explaining the subject. If you have any question about the topic, then you can ask. Okay, now students, again another slide you can see which I've told you. A sentence can be divided into two parts which I've told you, the subject and the predicate. The line rode at flag. G, who will tell me? What is the subject and what is the predicate in this sentence? Rohan.
It is not subject, verb, and predicate.
Beta, I've asked you what is the subject and what is the predicate in this sentence.
The line is the subject and flag is the predicate.
Wrong. Subject is correct. Yes, Rayan.
The line is a subject and rod at flag is a predicate.
Good. Please mute your mic. That is correct. Students, I've told you who is doing the action, what we are talking about, the line. And whatever the line is doing, that is the predicate. Road at flag. What is the line doing? Road at flag. Rohan, we are not only talking about the object, we are talking about the predicate. And I've told you predicate starts with a verb. The verb is rode. So you are going to underline rode at flag as the predicate. So the line is the subject and rode at flag is the predicate. Now, who will do the second one? Flag hit behind ZZ. G. Who will do this? Nurul Iman. Yes, Nurul Iman. Beta, yes, beta. Flag hit behind ZZ. What is the subject? Heathers, don't lie down. It's not afternoon. Heather, sit straight.
Hi, teacher.
Beta, what is the subject? Who is doing the action?
Behind.
I can't hear you clearly. Okay.
Behind.
No, no, wrong. Ahmad Raza. Yes, Ahmad. Unmute your mic.
Miss subject,
Yes.
flag,
Good. And predicate?
head behind,
Complete. You have to write hit behind ZZ.
head
That is
behind.
okay. Good. You can mute your mic. Beta, I am continuously telling you that subject is what we are talking about. Okay? I, he, the lion, flag, Zara, Sara, whatever. Who is doing the action? That is the subject. And predicate starts with a verb. Predicate means whatever the subject is doing. Over here, the subject is roaring at flag. So, roared at flag, complete. Roared at flag is the predicate. What is flag doing? Flag is the subject. And what is she doing? She is hiding behind ZZ. Flag hid behind ZZ. Okay? Now, all of you, please open your books. Subject and predicate. Page number 69. Page number 69. Okay, students. Every sentence can be divided into two main parts, the subject and the predicate. The subject is that part of the sentence that tells us who or what does something. Please underline this definition of subject and you will write only that verb which I'm going to tell you in your notebooks. Okay, I just cannot understand some students' work, how they have started. Some work is on the pages. Heather, you have done all the work on pages. There was no work in the copy. Now complete all your notes. Take your time, but complete all your notes in your copy neatly, beta. Please neatly. There was so much untidy work. Okay, underline the definition. The subject is that part of the sentence that tells us who or what does something. Till here, first two lines. The predicate is that part of the sentence that tells us what happens to the subject or what the subject does. Still here, the predicate definition. Okay, you can see the slide. I'll show you from here. The subject is that part of the sentence that tells us who or what does something. Till something. Okay. Then start from the predicate. The predicate is that part of the sentence that tells us what happens to the subject or what the subject does. Still here. So these are the two definitions which you have to write in your copy. Look at the following sentence. The neem tree has been cut down. Now students, obviously the neem tree is the subject because it is telling about something. And has been cut down is the predicate. Predicate starts with a verb, has. Okay? It's important to know that the verb in a sentence is contained in the predicate. It's very easy to remember that the predicate starts with a verb. Write it down so that you will not be confused in it, that the predicate has a verb in it. Predicate starts with a verb. I saw the sun. I is the subject, saw the sun is the predicate. The sun is bright. The sun is the subject, is bright is the predicate. Okay? Break up the following sentences into the subject and predicate and write them down in the table provided. One has been done as an example. Okay? Start doing it one by one. All the students will participate. First is coming Ahmad Raza. Yes, Emma. Unmute your mic, Emma.
I is I subject and no I am not hungry is predicate.
Correct. Good. I'll repeat. Beta, in the copy, you will make 2 columns. I'll show you on the next page how to do it. Right now, the first one is she is very intelligent. She is the subject, is very intelligent is the predicate. Okay? Because it is starting with the word. I is the subject, am not hungry is the predicate. Next, moment. Number 3.
I subject am
Beta,
not hungry
beta,
predicate.
beta third one, third one.
Third one. Its subject is very dark in the room down here predicate.
Good, correct. Rayan, next. Rayan, next.
He is a subject look very angry is a predicate.
Very good, correct. I'll again, in the end, I will repeat all the sentences. Okay. Number 5th, who is coming in the 5th one? Fatma. Fatma Abdul Qadoos. 5th one.
Children subject of school are very well behaved predicate.
Beta, 1 second. Now, 1 second. Students, the children of the school are very well behaved. So, the children of the school is the subject because predicate starts with a verb. Verb is are. Verb is not of. Of is a preposition. So the children of the school is the subject. Are very well behaved is the predicate. Remember, you have to make the 2 columns in this way. Rian, look at your book. You have to make the column in this manner, subject and predicate. Subject you will write in the subject column, predicate you will write in the predicate column, and you have to do it in the book, not in the copy, because the space is provided. You're going to do exercise, A in the book. Okay? The soup has no salt at all. Who will do it? Umar Nawaz. Please unmute your mic.
The soup has no salt at
Yes. What is the subject?
is predicate.
What is the subject?
The soup
And what is the predicate?
has no salt at all.
Correct. That is correct. Good. Yes. We'll do the next one. G, who will do the next one? She is ill. She is ill. Yes, Nurul Iman. Nurul Iman. Okay, Rohan. Rohan, hurry up.
Yes, dear.
Yes. Do this one. She is ill.
His subject is ill is predicate.
Like, do the next one also. He was very
He
sad.
was very sad. He is the subject and was very sad is the
Good.
predicate.
Correct. Good.
So please
Yes.
repeat.
Umar Noor Shamsi. I will repeat. Don't worry. Umar Noor Shamsi. Okay, Rian. Quickly do the 9th and 10th one.
The glass is full of water. The glass is subject, is full of water is predicate. The
Correct.
10th,
Good.
everyone is subject, is here is predicate.
Very good. Okay. So students, this thing is clear to all of you. I'm going to repeat in the end. Now, all of you first will do exercise C because exercise C is coming. It's very easy. Match the subject with the predicate as an example. You have to match the subject with the predicate. I'm giving you 2 minutes time. Do it. After completing it, please raise your hand. Okay, we can try one by one. Okay. Ahmad Raza. Yes, Ahmad. Better mute your mic so that you can answer. Okay, Rohan. Do this one. The youngest of the 3 sisters. Which can be the best option?
Is the youngest of the three sisters has always ranked first in class.
Good. Good, Rohan. That is correct. The youngest of the 3 sisters has always ranked first in class. Yes. Next, Rian.
Ticket checkers has
No,
been
the what?
print.
No. No, this one. The water in the still lake.
The water in the still lake.
Hmm.
Uh,
Go through it. Go through it. Which can be the best predicate for it?
shimmers beautifully in the moonlight.
Very good, Rayan. That is correct. Side by side, check your work. The youngest in the three sisters. Better you can match it with color pencils later. Right now, you can just put a light pencil. The youngest of the 3 sisters has always ranked first in class. The water in the still lake shimmers beautifully in the moonlight. Yes, number fourth one. Ticket checkers. Yes, now we'll do it. Yes, Nurul Iman. Ticket checkers.
Ticket checkers has chipped.
Where it is? Mm, correct. Ticket checkers has chipped. Okay, good, Nurul Iman. Yes, next. Moment. My dogs, Leo and Rover.
Are actually twins.
Huh? Have you checked all? Mm, good. My dogs, Leo, correct. My dogs, Leo and Rover, are actually twins, correct? The book you wanted to buy. Beta, some other students, Umar Nawaz. The book you wanted to buy. Unmute your mic. The book you wanted to buy.
Has been out of print for years.
Correct. The book you wanted to buy has been out of print for years. Good. Cassettes. Yes, Heather Abbas. cassettes.
Are become difficult to find in shops.
Correct. Good. Are becoming difficult to find in shops. Okay. Please mute your mic. Mute your mic, those students. Noise is coming. I don't know from where. Okay. Words spoken with honesty. Words spoken with honesty. G. Cassettes, video cassettes, recorders. Yes, Moment. Words spoken with honesty.
Seldom cause harm.
Good. Seldom cause harm. Correct. Good. Please mute your mic, Moment. Okay. The nail on my left little finger. Please check this, correct this one. The nail on my left little finger has chipped and ticket checkers appear when you least expect them. Please check, correct this. Okay? Ticket checkers appear when you least expect them. The nail on my left little finger has chipped. Please correct it. The last one, going for an exhausting trek, obviously is not my idea of a great vacation. Please check exercise A and exercise B both. Sorry, exercise A and exercise C. I'm going to repeat, check your work. I'm not hungry, I is the subject, am not hungry is the predicate. It is the subject, is very dark in the room down here predicate. He subject, look very angry is the predicate. Predicate starts with a word, complete, drill this thing in your mind. The children of the school subject are very well behaved predicate. The soup subject has no salt at all predicate. She subject is ill predicate. He subject was very sad predicate. The glass is subject is full of water predicate. Everyone is subject is here is the predicate. Okay. Exercise C. The youngest of the three sisters has always ranked first in class. The water in the still lake shimmers beautifully in the moonlight. Ticket checkers appear when you least expect them. My dogs Leo and Rover are actually twins. The book you wanted to buy has been out of print for years. Cassettes are becoming difficult to find in shops. Words spoken with honesty seldom cause harm. The nail on my left little finger has chipped. Going for an exhausting trek is not my idea of a great vacation. Okay. Exercise D. Identify the verb and the subject in the following sentences. Okay? Identify the verb and the subject in the following sentences. Now, students, what is the verb and what is the subject? The first one, Iqbal waited. Hariyafar.
It was subject weighted verb.
Correct. Iqbal subject weighted verb. You don't have to find the predicate, subject and verb. Number 2, the clouds gathered over the horizon. Heather.
What?
The clouds gathered over the horizon.
What is the page number?
71. 71.
1 minute. I don't have a book.
Peter, why you don't have the book with you? Yes, Moment.
Teacher, cloud, subject, and gather verb.
Correct. The cloud subject gathered verb. Correct. Next. Okay. Please mute your mic when you have told the answer, Rian.
Sajid is subject. Sang a selenium tune is a verb.
It's a predicate. You just have to underline the verb. Sang is the verb. Sajid is the subject. Sang is the verb. Not the predicate. Okay. You have to underline the verb only. Jack was sewing clothes for the doll. Okay. G. Nurul Iman. Nurul Iman. Unmute your mic, beta.
Yes, teacher.
What is the subject? Jack was sewing clothes for the doll. Fourth sentence.
Yes, teacher.
Jack was sewing clothes for the doll. What is the subject? Beta, fourth one.
Jack, subject.
Yes.
Jack.
Yes. And what is the verb?
Verb.
Swing clothes.
Was swing. Clothes name. Only was swing. Jack's subject was swing. Verb. He was shivering in the cold. His subject was shivering is the verb. Now, page 72. Page number 72. Page number 72. Number 6 and 7. Do together, Rohan. 6 and 7.
Yes, teacher. 7. Oh, 6. Rajat ran faster than anybody else. Rajat is the subject and ran faster is the verb.
Only ran. Ran. Faster is an adverb. Only ran.
Oh.
Correct. Do the seventh one.
7th one. They eat silently. They is the subject, eat is the verb.
Correct. But it is 8. Correct. They is the subject. 8 is the verb. Rija is the subject. Ran is the verb. Okay. It is a beautiful morning. Moment.
Only 1 minute. The subject is, verb is
Yes.
subject is. Did you hear?
Correct.
Verb
I
is and subject is it.
correct. Good, Moment. Good. It is the subject. Is the verb. Yes, Rian. Do the 9th and 10th.
The car stopped suddenly. The car is a subject. Stopped is verb. The 10th one. Aslam is a subject. Motorcycle is a verb.
Beta, how can motorcycle be a verb? Verb is action. Aslam's motorcycle is the subject. Is the word. Okay? I'm repeating. Please check your answers. Iqbal subject, weighted verb. The cloud subject, gathered verb. Sajid subject, sang verb. Jack subject, was swing verb. He subject, was shivering verb. Rija subject, ran verb. They subject, ate verb. Its subject is verb. The car subject, stopped verb. Aslam's motorcycle subject is okay. Sometimes a predicate appears first in the sentence, followed by the subject. Down below in the valley flowed the river. Over here, flowed down below in the valley is the predicate and the river is the subject. Up and down went his boat. So what will be his boat is the subject, went up and down is the predicate. I'm talking about exercise E. Who will do the last one? C. Who will do the last one? What is the subject? In the dark depth of the cave lay the treasure. Yes, Moment.
The 1 minute. lay in the dark depths of the cave.
What is it? It is
Lay in the dark depths of the cave.
and what is the subject?
Subject the treasure.
Good. Okay, students. So in this way, if any sentence will come, then you have to pick out the subject from it. The treasure is the subject. Lay in the dark depth of the cave, predicate. His boat is the subject. Went up and down is the predicate. The river is the subject. Flow down below in the valley is the predicate. Okay. Now, understood or implied subject. In commands, request, and advise, the subject is not mentioned. Whenever we are giving an order or when we are making a request, our subject is not mentioned. Like shut the door, clean the windows, stop talking. There is no subject. So it is obvious that the subject is you. Okay? Like, please shut the door, don't ever talk to me again, put the book back on the shelf. There's no subject because they're already starting with a word. Shut, don't, put. So it is obvious that in such sentences, the subject is you. Okay? And now students, so we can also expand the subject and predicate. Okay? How can we expand a subject and predicate? By adding phrases or clauses. For example, if I say, Rian, if you say Rian is good in studies, Rian is the subject, is good in studies is the predicate. But if I want to expand subject Rian, then I will say Rian, my class fellow, is good in studies. I have expanded the subject. Rian, who is Rian? My class fellow. River Indus looks beautiful. If we add River Indus, which is in Sindh, looks beautiful. River Indus, which is the longest river of Pakistan, looks beautiful. Do you understand, students? So we can expand. What is the meaning of expand? To make something bigger. To make something bigger. So we can make a subject and predicate bigger. We can make them expand. We can expand them by adding phrases, clauses, adjectives, or adverbs in them. Okay. For example, if I say I went to Sikardu. Okay. Now, if I say I went to Sikardu last month, so I've added last month to expand the predicate. Okay, students, do you understand? Exercise F, the last exercise, and if it will not be finished, you have to complete at home. Okay. Rewrite the sentences with correct punctuation by rearranging the given words. Then identify the subject and the predicate of each sentence. Now, students, you can see that this is not in arranged proper form. No punctuation, nothing like that. So you have to first arrange them and then you have to pick out the subject and the predicate. Now, what we can say, Mrs. Russell's children are very ill behaved. Mrs. Russell's children are very ill behaved. So Mrs. Russell's children, subject, are very ill behaved is the predicate. Do you understand? In this way you have to do. Okay, we can try. The woman whom at the station is missing, I helped yesterday. Now who will try to do it? Or you can do it in our next class on Wednesday. I will start asking you people. Okay? Till then.